If you love brownies as much as I do, then this is the recipe for you. It's my favorite brown butter brownie recipe. Say that 3 times fast. This is the most delicious and decadent brownie, and that brown butter gives it so much extra flavor, you're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing my favorite brownie recipe. It's a brown butter brownie. That is, we're gonna melt and brown the butter before we make the brownie batter. The brown butter just gives it a nice, rich flavor. And these brownies are fudgy and delicious. It makes a 9x13 pan, nice and thick. This is my favorite brownie recipe, hands down. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Start by adding 1 cup of unsalted butter to a medium saucepan. Now when you're browning butter, it's best to use unsalted butter because it's gonna concentrate the flavor, and if you're using salted butter, it'll concentrate that salt and not be as delicious. Let the butter melt and cook it over medium-low heat. It will boil and bubble, and you're just gonna keep cooking it, stirring it occasionally until it gets brown. This will take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your pot. It depends on how big it is, how high your temperature of your stove is. The butter will bubble and then it will foam. Make sure you stir it occasionally. It'll start to turn nice and golden. And once you see those nice brown flecks, then it's all done. Don't walk away. It'll burn really quickly. Then remove the pot from the stove. One thing I love about this recipe is you could just mix it right in that pan, or you can use a bowl. It doesn't matter, whatever you want. Add 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate that's been broken up to the hot butter. I'm just making it in the pan because it's way easier. I also switch between a wooden spoon and a spatula just to make sure everything's mixed. Stir that together until the chocolate is melted. Then add 2.5 cups of granulated sugar. Stir that together, it'll be nice and thick. Then add 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup of cocoa, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir that together and the mixture will be nice and thick. Then you're going to add 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Stir that in until it's combined. And at this point, you can add chocolate chips like I'm doing, 1.5 cups, or you can add any sort of mix-in that you like. Spread that into a 9x13 inch pan that's been lined with foil or parchment. Spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Spread that evenly, and then you're gonna bake it at 350 degrees. Once these are done, they are rich and decadent, and a simple trick for cutting brownies without it all sticking to the knife is to use a plastic knife. It's genius. I didn't know this. My Instagram followers shared this with me. It's a fantastic tip. As you can see, these are decadent and delicious. I know you're gonna love them. If you love brownies, try them with brown butter. You won't be sorry. Leave me a comment and let me know what you would add, or if you're a purist and like them plain. And keep watching for more dessert recipes.